Hello everyone. In this video, we'll dive into the key facts about Cryptohopper trading bots and evaluate whether they're truly worth the investment. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of the costs, risks, and potential alternatives that could be far more profitable. So, let's get started. Cryptohopper operates on a subscription model, requiring users to pay a monthly or annual fee to access its automated trading bots. While it boasts an extensive selection of bots, many of these extras are often unnecessary and can even distract traders from focusing on proven, profitable strategies available for free on platforms like Binance and Bybit. Even the most affordable Cryptohopper plan costs nearly $24 per month. Over time, these fees can add up significantly. To illustrate, let's explore how much more profitable it could be to invest that money directly into Bitcoin. Historically, Bitcoin's annual returns have averaged around 105%, meaning its price tends to double every year. If you were to invest $199 annually, the equivalent of a Cryptohopper subscription, into Bitcoin over 10 years, your investment could potentially grow to over $500,000, assuming historical growth rates. Even if Bitcoin's annual returns were halved to 50%, you'd still save over $33,000 by skipping Cryptohopper fees and focusing on Bitcoin investments instead. For the more expensive Cryptohopper plans, such as the $999 per year Hero bot, the opportunity cost is even more dramatic. Over a decade, that annual fee invested in Bitcoin could grow to $2.5 million at historical growth rates, or $169,000 even with more conservative returns. These numbers clearly show the potential financial advantage of prioritizing direct Bitcoin investment over costly trading bots. Using Cryptohopper requires connecting the bot to your exchange account, such as Binance or Bybit via API. This allows the bot to trade on your behalf, but introduces additional risks beyond the subscription fees. Security breaches, though rare, remain a concern. For example, 3Commas, a Cryptohopper competitor, experienced a major API leak scandal, leading to customer losses exceeding $14 million. While Cryptohopper has maintained a good track record so far, granting any third-party API access to your exchange account involves inherent risks that should not be ignored. It's important to remember that trading is inherently risky and no strategy is guaranteed to succeed. Losses are always a possibility, regardless of the tools or platforms you use. However, Bitcoin's long-term performance tells a different story. Since its inception, Bitcoin's price has consistently risen, from 10 cents in its early days to over $10,000 and beyond today. Historically, its 200-week moving average has trended upwards, making Bitcoin one of the most reliable and profitable long-term investments. For instance, using a dollar-cost averaging (DCA) strategy with Bitcoin has never resulted in a loss over any 3-year period. Both Binance and Bybit offer free DCA bots, which automate this investment method. Setting up a DCA strategy is simple. Just decide how much to invest daily, create a plan, and let the bot handle the rest without any additional fees. Once you've built your Bitcoin portfolio, the next step is to secure it. Storing your Bitcoin in a personal wallet, whether it's mobile, hardware, or multi-signature, gives you full control over your funds and minimizes the risk of losing them to third-party security issues. And that's all for this video. Now, if you want to make serious money from the comfort of your own home, I found a unique side hustle that 99% of people have never even heard of. Click the link in the description to learn all about it.